to use addition and subtraction with a place value chart, you'll first get a chart. And in that chart on the top, you will want to set out, depends on how big the number is, you'll want to set out ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, whatever, however big the number is. So for this question that I have, I just did 100,000s, 10,000s, 1,000s, 100s, tens, and ones. So with that being said, the question asks me, former NDSU quarterback Carson Wentz passed 13,981 yards combined with between his time as NDSU quarterback and as NFL quarterback for the Eagles. He earned 5,115 passing yards during his 4 years at NDSU. How many passing yards does he have as an NFL quarterback for the Eagles? So I am going to take 5,115 away from the total yards, which is 13,981. So right now I have 13,981 set out. I have 1 in the tens, thousands, and then 3 in the 1,000s, and then 9 dots in the 100 spots to represent 900, 8 in the 10 spot to represent 80, and a 1 in the 1 spot to represent ones in the 1. So when I try and take 5 away from the ones, I can't necessarily do that. So what I have to do is take 1 away from the tens, and I'm going to add it to the ones. So if I add 10 ones to 1, that will give me 11. So I have 3 in there, 4 in there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So right now I have 11 ones, 7 tens, 9 100s, 3 1,000s, and 1 10,000s. Okay? So now I can take 5 out of the ones. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm left over with 6. And since I now have 7 left in the tens, I can take 1 away from that. I will then have 6 left over, which gives me 60. And I cannot take 5 out of the 1,000s. So I'm going to add the 10,000s, 1 from the 10,000s right here. So 10 1,000s gives me 10. 1 10,000s will give me 10 more 1,000s. So we'll add 10. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that I have that, I can take away oh yes, but I did forget. Okay, I made a mistake. I forgot to do the 100s place. So in the 100s, I'm trying to take 1 away from 9. So I can take 1 away, and I will now have 8 left over. So back to the 1,000s. Since I added 10 over, I now have 13 in the 1,000s spot. So if I take 5 away, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will now have 8 in the 1,000 spot. So for your answer, Carson Wentz has 8,866 passing yards as a quarterback for the Eagles.